Okay friends, Babu, how are you? Acha, in previous lecture we have seen the methods of preparation of amine compounds. Today we'll start the chemical reactions related with amines compound RNH2. You see, first reaction is basic properties, second one is acylation, third one is CAT, carbyl amintase, then reaction with Hinsberg reagent, then alkylation, then reaction with nitrous acid. B for basic property, A for acylation, C for carbyl amintase, H for Hinsberg reagent test, A for alkylation, and N for nitrous acid. You see BACHAN, Bachchan, it is a surname. First one, basic property. You see, basic property can be explained by two reagent. First one, a water molecule, second one with hydrochloric acid. You see, RNH2 plus H2O, as per Lorentz theory, base has a tendency to accept proton. That's why one proton will transfer from water molecule to amine and gives RNH3 plus OH minus. This is the conjugated base acid of base, and this one is the conjugated base of water. Similarly, reaction with HCl, one proton will transfer from HCl to amine and gives RNH3 plus Cl minus. It is N-alkyl ammonium chloride. Second reaction, acylation. You see this reaction with acyl chloride, and second reagent is used for acylation is acetic anhydride. What is the mechanism of reaction? RNH2, yes, इसको acyl chloride को उल्टा लिखो. One part HCl part of acyl chloride and H part of amine will remove as HCl will remove as a byproduct, and finally RNHCOCH3. This is our main product. When we use acetic anhydride as a reagent for the acylation, at that time CH3COOCOCH3, this is the acetic anhydride. देखो RNH2 के साथ रिएक्शन होगी तो CH3COOH, this portion will remove as a byproduct acetic acid, and directly acyl group will attach to the nitrogen. Finally our product will be RNHCOCH3. During the acylation कुछ नहीं होता है. RNH2 में से one hydrogen is to be replaced by COCH3 group. This COCH3 group is known as a acyl group. Next one is carbyl amine test. This test is very important test. Yes, when primary amine is heated with mixture of chloroform and potassium hydroxide, at that time, yes, RNH2, एक minute. Okay, in case of primary amine, RN, दो हाइड्रोजन यहाँ से इसे ऐसे लिखो. CHCl3 is to be indicated by capital K. C, H, 3 chlorine atoms are attached with carbon atom. Then KOH, second and third molecule of KOH. Now, this is KCl, second KCl and third KCl. Water molecule, second water molecule and third water molecule. Means during the reaction, 3 molecules of KCl and 3 water molecules are removed as a byproduct. Finally, our product will be RNC plus minus. It is known as isocyanide. It is also known as isonitrile compound. They are also known as a carbyl amine compound. Carbyl amintase is nothing. Primary amine में से isocyanide compound बनाने की प्रक्रिया reaction से. Then finally, next one is reaction with Hinsberg reagent. What is the Hinsberg reagent? benzene sulfonyl chloride. Benzene having SO2Cl. It is known as a benzene sulfonyl chloride, otherwise it is also known as a Heinsberg reagent. This primary amine will react with this Heinsberg reagent R as benzene having SO2Cl and R Na2 में से one hydrogen थोड़ा दूर से लिखो. Yes, BSC का क्लोरीन और प्राइमरी अमाइन का हाइड्रोजन HCl will remove as a byproduct. This nitrogen will directly attach to the SO2. That's why our product will be benzene having SO2 NHR. This is secondary sulfonylamide. On reaction, further on reaction with KOH. KOH is the basic, possesses a basic property. It has a tendency to absorb proton. So this proton will absorb by KOH. Then water molecule will remove as a byproduct and it will give potassium salt. Benzene having SO2 and R and K. Which further reaction with twice HCl will give primary amine. This is potassium salt. Benzene having SO2 NH and R. Among the two hydrochloric acid molecule HCl, second HCl, this bond will break, KCl will be byproduct. Yes, this Cl will directly attach to the SO2 group, SO2Cl, and finally this portion will be our main product, primary amine compound. Next one is alkylation. Alkylation is nothing, introduction of alkyl group. Alkyl group is methyl group, ethyl group. If we introduce the methyl group, then it is known as a methylation. If we introduce ethyl group, it is known as a ethylation. Simple, during the alkylation, we should have to use alkyl halide as a reagent. One more thing, during the reaction, what happened? RNH2, this is primary amine. Suppose during the methylation, yes, Cl, single bond CH3 HCl will remove as a byproduct. This methyl group will directly attach to the nitrogen group. It will give RNHCH3. This one is secondary amine compound. Further reaction with second molecule of methyl chloride, then HCl will remove as a byproduct. It will give tertiary amine. On further reaction with methyl chloride, it will give quaternary ammonium salt. Similarly, during the ethylation, one by one ethyl group will introduce and hydrogen will remove as a byproduct, and finally it will give quaternary ammonium salt. Last reaction is reaction with nitrous acid. HNO2 is the nitrous acid, HNO3 is known as a nitric acid. You can use HNO2, otherwise a mixture of NaNO2 plus HCl. Yes, if we use NaNO2, sodium nitrite and HCl, then reaction between this reagent will give HNO2 plus NaCl will byproduct. This HNO2 will react with primary amine, RNH2. HNO2 we can write, yes, HNO, this is the structure of HNO2. Then two hydrogen of amine and oxygen of nitrous acid will remove as a byproduct, as a water molecule. And second, this nitrogen will also remove as a byproduct. Directly R will attach to OH. That's why alcohol will be our main product. During this reaction, we can use this step for the conversion of primary amine to alcohol compounds. Okay, thanks.